Hello guys, so today I'll be showing how to build a simple calculator app using chatgpt. So all you have to do is go to Google, then type chatgpt, and then after that say try chatgpt, and then you enter your prompt. In this case it's build a simple calculator app using chatgpt, using Kotlin. And then after you've done that, you just let ChatGPT do its thing. That's spitting out some code, and then you don't even have to know anything about coding for this. You can just now take that code. You can see ChatGPT is spitting the code. Now you can take that code, and then now you have your full code. Yeah, that one, the small piece of code will actually give you a simple calculator app which you can use for basic operations. Now you copy it and then you paste it in IntelliJ IDEA, and then you just need to run it, and then there you go, you have a simple calculator app. So let's put 12 and then 12 again, and then plus, let's add them there, 24.